Okay, what this is a 1978 Star Trip cocktail format pinball machine by Game Plan. Cocktail format just means that it was smaller and shorter. You had to actually sit on a chair to play. The format, all the parts are the same as a normal looking pinball machine. In fact, the width is pretty much the same. The only difference is how short the length of the playfield is, which is a little more than half the length of a normal pinball machine. All the parts on it, though, are the same original parts used on the larger sized pinball machines. And here, just to show the flippers, are actually plastic, fairly solid plastic, with a ring of rubber around them, like that. And they're pretty, in terms of the impact of the ball, it's pretty solid. And then when it fully extends, you can see the angle here. And when they fully extend, they're only about this high. And then here's a metal rail the ball travels along. These here are called the slingshots because there's a strip of rubber that runs all the way around, and there's posts here. There's a post here, here, and here that the rubber goes around. Now, and then here there are two switches. There's a switch right here and a switch right here. So if either of these get activated, this thing here will kick out like this. And the switches usually are very sensitive, so even contact as far from this post all the way to this post usually activates them, and the kick out is enough to move the ball even if it's fairly down here. However, on the other sides, there's no kick at all. There's rubber here too. And I will show you later the ball hitting that, see how it looks. And then the pop bumpers, that's pretty simple and obvious. The ball will come up here, hits this. This activates a switch which sends sends a part underneath down. And the down motion is what kicks the ball away at a pretty realistic angle, since it's a circular shape here. And both the kicker on the slingshot, they usually activate, it's a very, very strong magnetic, it's a solenoid, which is an electromagnet, and the force is usually just very, very strong, very instant. So the power gets turned on, the thing flicks down very, very, very fast and strongly. There's no it's very, 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 very fast, so there's no like motion to it. Same with the kicker. The flippers are also solenoid based, but since a lot more the axis here, there's a lot more mass being moved. They're not quite as fast as any of the other kickers that are free to move. So I'm just going to turn this off for a second.